You got it, you got it.
This is our first vlog, and we're having a bonfire. Cue's a bonfire. It's smoky.
Bonfire.
No.
It's smoky right now, just like
Smoke
all
follows
of
beauty,
us.
smoke
Smoke
follows-
follows
yeah.
beauty.
I'll take it.
Oh, step one to having a good bonfire. All the past homework of the year.
So, how did we build this? I actually didn't make this. My grandpa did it. There's paper underneath, and then you do Lincoln log style. Throw a few dry leaves in the sticks. Very important. Have to be dry. And then you smother it in homework that you despised. So everything from science, basically.
So like my
So
childhood
step
best friend.
3
Oh wait.
to having the best bonfire of 2025 summer. You gotta have the food so you can regenerate and fuel. Thank you.
And you don't seem to
Look at the zoom on that. The black hot dog.
ashamed you seemed an honest man. And all the fears you hold so dear will turn to whisper in your ear. And you know what they say will hurt you, and you know that it means so much, and you don't even feel a thing.
What I'm excited for this summer, lake days, just being with friends and kitty dipping. So, somebody asked me recently, what have I done this summer? And then I was thinking about it, and I was like, wow, not too many crazy things. I mean, I did meet some new friends. I did drop like 200 bands yesterday, but today is a good day. What I'm looking forward to this summer is going on the boat, probably. Skinny dipping. Skinny dipping.
To hurt you, but you know that it means so much, and you don't even feel a thing. I am falling, I am fading, I am drowning. Help me to breathe.
Wait, you're in like prime stinky leg position right now.
Guys, we should.
Oh shit.